When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of
So guys,
wisdom,
try nating
let it be.
tumawid.
And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me,
Dapat umaga nito.
speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
Buo pala siya. Ala.
Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
Parang ang hirap bumalik ah.